पुणी थे फेरवा ओडिशा रे प्रणब संपर्कित खबर को ओडिशा गस्त अवस्था भुवनेश्वर गस्त अवस्था प्रणब मुखर्जी को सांबादिक सम्मेलन कर सीधा सड़क चलन शुणा कौन कहते प्रणब
सुनते पाচ্ছেন तो I came here as part of my visit to different parts of the country after announcement of my candidature by Sonia Gandhi. Could you hear me now? It is not coming.
It's coming. You can leave there. The sound is not required. It's all right. It's all right.
If you feel comfortable in open voice, I can speak. Otherwise, I think it is not obstructing you. If the cameraman does not obstruct, then there will be no problem. Please, you have taken enough picture. Let them have their function. The purpose of my visit to Odisha today is part of my nationwide campaign. Though there is no need of campaign in the presidential election, as you know, Electoral College of President consists of elected members of the state legislative assemblies, roughly about 4,000 plus, and about 776 members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Most of them, almost 99% of them, are elected on the nomination of certain political parties. Therefore, the presidential election, the primary responsibilities are taken by the political parties. Keeping that in view, Sonia ji started talking to UPA partners. After discussing with them with their endorsement, except one party, all partners of UPA, they recommended my name to be the presidential candidate to Sonia ji, and she accepted their suggestions. After that, within hours, it was endorsed by Samajwadi Party, BSP, JDS, RJD, Ramvilas Paswan's party. After a few days, JDU, Shiv Sena and CPM Forward Bloc. In addition to that, host of other political parties at the state levels, whether it is Naga National Front or Bodo People's Front or AIUDF or Sikkim Democratic Party from different parts of the country, they have extended their support. So I am visiting these states to thank the leaders of the political parties who have supported me. I am also meeting the members of the Electoral College to give them thanks. In that purpose I came here. In fact, in the morning I started from Bhopal. Thereafter I came to Raipur. Now I am in Bhubaneswar, and hereafter I will go back to Delhi. When I am talking to the friends in the media, I have a great predicament. In the last 45-50 years, when I have met media persons in any part of the country, I had an identity. That identity was either I was a representative of a political party, Indian National Congress, or I was the ministers of the Union government, 39 years ago, I was inducted in the Union Council of Ministers by Indira Ji, and I had the privilege of serving all the Congress Prime Ministers in different phases, not continuous. I had been in the Congress Party, and from 1978, except a short gap of 3-4 years, all these 34 years, I had the privilege of being the member of the Congress Working Committee, which is the highest policy making body. But after my nomination as presidential candidate, I have resigned from my office of minister, finance minister. I have resigned from Congress Working Committee. So today when I am appearing before you, I have neither an identity as a party man. I cannot speak on behalf of my party because I have no party. Neither I can speak on behalf of the government because I am nobody in the government. That is your predicament also. Keeping that in view, you may put a couple of questions. Thank you. As I mentioned earlier, some political parties have taken decisions. A number of them are supporting me. Some of them are opposing me. Some political parties have not yet taken the final decision. TMC is also like that. And I understand TMC's leader have stated that she will take decision 3-4 days before the election. I am waiting for that.
Sir, they are claiming that still now you are the chief advisor of Indian Institute of Psychometry, which is in Kolkata.
All these issues are to be debated, discussed in the appropriate forum, that is the returning officer, and those phases are over. And yesterday Election Commission has given a detailed report which has been widely reported in the newspaper. I would not like to make any comment on it.
Sir, is it a fact that you doled out?
Please, don't enter into cross-examination. Any other question? How can I guess? I hope. I can only hope. Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaskar. I hope. No, please. I hope. Please take your seat, gentlemen. I would only like to say, during all these years I have met you in different capacities. It may happen that I have not always been nice to you. At this moment, I would like to express my regret if I have been rude to you, if I have not been nice to you. But I wish you all success in your life, good health. Thank you, friends.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
सीधासख देखुं यूपीर राष्ट्रपति प्रार्थी प्रणब मुखर्जी सांबादिक मानक संबोधन करुले सांबादिक मानक से कहते विभिन्न स्थान को गस्त क्रम से ओडिशा आसी राष्ट्रपति निर्वाचन प्रचार आवश्यक नुहे कारण यह इलेक्ट्रिकल कॉलेज द्वारा परिचालित होता है तेणु एपाई प्रचार आवश्यक नुहे तेज विभिन्न स्थान को गस्त क्रम से ओडिशा आसी।